5, 6, 7, 8. Be gone, don't make them too strong. We get back, don't let all of attack. Be gone, don't make them too strong. Move, you can't be classy, don't make them ashy.
One of the requirements on our welding crew is every man has to be trained with a sniper rifle. In this case, it was a 50 cal, and it's for doing jobs over in combat zones. We got a job coming up in Baghdad, and I hear we may have to provide our own self-defense and maybe a little gunplay.
I'm still coming back to you. If I could take her down and run, then I'd call her. 'Cause she's standing drama, she know I call her. She kids. If you ran away, come back home. Just come home.
Hey you. Yes, you. Today is your day. You got this. You're absolutely crushing it at everything you do, from your job to maintaining a social life to pursuing your passion projects. You are killing it. Ignore anyone who tells you otherwise, because you're amazing. The only thing more beautiful than your smile is your personality. Yeah, I said it. You're more than capable to take.
Hey. Calm your stupid ass down. What's wrong with you? I know. Yeah.
Damn it. So fast. He must be laser focused in. The only thing on Haru's mind right now is this race.
Life is like a hurricane here in Duckburg.
I'm in my welding class, and I just got so frustrated I had to go take a walk. And now I'm just sitting outside the shop. And I can't even tell if my professor like really loves me or thinks I'm completely retarded. Because now he's been giving me different electrodes to play with, and he keeps coming to my booth more than everybody else. Like, how you doing, Grace? I want to die, thanks for asking. But not for real, my hand be cramping. And he was surprised I even took a break. He's like, I thought you just welded like a machine. You never take breaks. Yes, sir. But I also got anger issues, and I ain't trying to set myself on fire. I'll keep you all updated though.
The chemicals, I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the.
เหล็กกองบางต่อเหล็กกองบางต่อตัวทีแบบนี้จุดที่จะทะลุง่ายคือฝั่งนี้เพราะฉะนั้นวิธีการแก้ไม่ให้มันทะลุง่ายก็คือลวดเชื่อมที่เราเชื่อมนี้ให้เอียงเข้าหาสันของตัวนี้นะครับเอียงเข้าหาสันปรับไฟอยู่ประมาณ60ถึง70แอมป์จี้ให้ชิดเดินให้เร็วจี้ให้ชิดเดินให้เร็วเอียงลวดเข้าหาสันของตัวนี้เอียงลวดเข้าหาสันของเหล็กกล่องตัวนี้แล้วจี้และเดินค่อยๆเดินถ้าทะลุแต้มยกแต้มยกแต้มยกแต้มยกแต้มยกแต้มยกเอียงลวดเข้าหาตัวนี้เอาไปทดลองดู
Made a toy car for his 5-year-old nephew. Can be used for 50 years. Absolutely no damage. Can be used as a family heirloom. Passed on to his next generation. Made a toy car for his 5-year-old nephew. Can be used for 50 years. Absolutely no damage. Can be used as a family heirloom. Passed on to his next generation.
I won't weld you a flower, but I will weld you this.
Me gusta soñar, me gustas tú. Me gusta la mar, me gustas tú. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais pas. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais plus. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je suis perdu. ¿Qué corazón, mi corazón? Me gusta la moda.
เชื่อมเหล็กหนาต่อเหล็กบางเชื่อมเหล็กหนาต่อเหล็กบางวิธีการลวดเชื่อม 2.6 จี้ไปที่เหล็กหนาตวัดมาหาเหล็กบางจี้ไปที่เหล็กหนาตวัดมาหาเหล็กบางจี้ไปที่เหล็กหนานับ1 2ตวัดลงมาหาเหล็กบางจี้เหล็กหนาตวัดลงมาหา1 2 1 2ตวัด1 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 2ตวัดทำแบบนี้เชื่อมเหล็กหนาต่อเหล็กบางเหล็กจะไม่ทะลุเอาไปลองดู
Cadillac fence shroud.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
You be having me on that sweet shit. You got my heart, got my mind.